What's up, folks? This is Gray here, and today we're going to be looking at Nutrient Survival's 5-day reboot kit. Now, I'm in love with this thing. I'm probably going to order several more just because 5-day isn't enough for me. I want to reboot through the entire month of January to get me started on my path of better health and to slim down the waistline a bit. And the reason I like using Nutrient Survival specifically is because what they offer in their foods. One real key factor in this whole thing is it's super simple to follow. Which when I opened up the package and Becky had told me she was sending it to me, I was like, let me check this out. And I was like, wow, this is amazing. And we're going to look inside, see what you get, see how easy it is to follow. So if you're out there and you're trying to make that New Year's resolution for 2023, like myself, and you're trying to either, just get in better health, try to, increase your nutritional, what you're trying to do nutritionally for your body, feel better, have more energy, and all around, maybe even, like I said, lose some couple inches around the waistline after all those holiday meals, this might be the kit for you. They have a couple specials on this. It's on sale. Also down below, I will have my affiliate link and my discount code down there below. I think it's on sale at the moment. Now, before we get into that, let's just dive into this thing here and see what you get inside here and get your, basically, I like to always hear your feedback in regards what they're offering, what's inside, and what your thoughts on something like this is. If it's beneficial to you outside of how I feel about it, I like to know what you feel about it. So let's kind of dive into this real quick and see what you get in the box. So when you first open up this box, you're going to see this chart right here, which is excellent from my perspective because basically it breaks down everything that you need to see here. On your 5-day reboot kit, or aka challenge. So it kind of gives you day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. You can kind of check these boxes off, fill out some information so that you can track your progress as you're using this. And I think that's awesome that they have a part like this already printed out for you to look at and to fill out as you go so that you can track your progress as you're going through their products. All right, moving on to what's inside the box, and we're going to get a little closer look at this stuff like that as well. But I think, like I said, it's super simple, folks. I don't think you can get any simpler than this on something to follow. So let's kind of open what you get. So they're going to also give you, you're going to get your little packet here. We can open that up if you like. And it's going to give you, a little bit of information about the reboot kit and everything involved in that. Of course, you're going to get the Wolf Pack, which I always think mission complete patch. I love patches. I don't know if you guys like patches. Also, you get some stickers and whatnot in there. Always nice to have. I don't know. I'm a sticker fanatic. I like to put them on my gun safe just because it's so much fun. Anyways, you're also going to get this free shaker bottle. Shaker bottles, really come in handy if you're going to do some of the milkshakes and whatnot. You put all your nutrients in here. If you want to add some peanut butter powder or your little anything that you want to add to this. Some people might add like an egg or whatnot. Shake this bad boy up, and then you got your meal ready to go in that. But anyways, here's where I'm going to start with it, man. Day 1. Everything for day 1 is in this pack right here. I think that's phenomenal. Day 1 is that simple. Day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. It's, like I said, super simple. You open up your day 1 pack, and you're like, okay, you look at your list over here, and you're going to look at the list that I was showing you, and then you pull it out, and you're like, okay, so what does day 1 have to do? Day 1 is going to be breakfast hearty apple cinnamon oatmeal. So then you're going to pull this, you're going to end up pulling this bag out right here, and you're going to look for your oatmeal, and boom, here's your breakfast. In a simple, easy packet with easy directions on the front of it, or on the back of it per se, and it's going to kind of explain it to you right here on the bottom. This is going to be your breakfast. Now, some folks are like, great, I don't know if I can eat that all day. Believe it or not, I did a challenge a while back, and I'll put the link up in the video right here in the description. It'll pop up right there, and you can look when I did the 14-day, I think, was it a 14-day or 10-day? I did it some 14-day, 10-day eating nothing but nutrient survival. Man, did I feel good. Now, some folks may say, is this going to be enough food for me? And from what I read in here, it's about 1,400 calories total. But like I said, you get all your nutrients and minerals and protein and omegas in this food. So honestly, from my perspective, from what I've experienced eating nutrient survival, because it's something that I actually incorporate in my meals daily, just because they're nutrient packed, it's just a different way of just consuming. Instead of consuming a multivitamin, I like to consume the food because going through the gut is usually the healthier way for your body to absorb nutrients. Now, that being said, in here, like I said, you get lunch, or let's start from the beginning. You get breakfast, snack, you get lunch, another snack, and dinner, and then something to drink as well. So I think that is awesome in that aspect, that you kind of get the whole gambit of your daily routine. And like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To me, I'm going to push it. I'm probably going to go a month. So I'm going to order me a couple more of these and keep on going. That's just what I'm going to do. But I wanted to kind of read this card right here that gets sent with you to tell you, kind of give you an idea of what's in here and how it works. You get 5 days of meals and drinks. You get the 5-day challenge kit meal plan, which is the little thing that I showed you. You get the shaker bottle, the patch, and the stickers, which I went over early on. Now, basically, it's very simple. Like I said, remove the meal plan from the box interior and track your progress. Super simple. I don't know how simple. I know I've been saying that word consistently, but I just want to reiterate that to you. This is as simple as it possibly gets for someone who wants to kind of get that jump to get going in 2023 and kind of just start down a healthy path. When it comes to emergency preparedness, being healthy and fit will take you a lot longer than being not healthy and not fit per se. And I'm not trying to, shame anybody or something like that. Some people have different issues and things like that. I've been there myself, folks. I understand, but this to me is a great little thing that they got going on over at Nutrient Survival. And then you get to award yourself the mission complete, which is the patch, which is always awesome. Throw that on your hat, throw it on a shirt, throw it on whatever you have. Maybe you got, a plate carrier like myself. And here's one thing I wanted to share with you folks. You can post a photo of your reboot journey and tag Nutrient Survival and hashtag 5-day reboot. Now, you can do this on their Instagram. I think they have an Instagram, or reach out to them specifically on their YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, they're always giving away stuff over there, folks. So if you like to win free stuff, that's the way to go. Anyways, if you want to keep going after this, I would suggest they have a buddy kit in case you want to buy something for yourself and your friend. Again, down below, I'm an affiliate partner with Nutrition Survival. So if you actually use my affiliate link to be forthcoming in regards to, yes, I will get some sort of little bonus from that, which is truly appreciated, and the channel appreciates it. But anyways, if you use my code, you get an additional 10% off from my understanding, as that's how it works. If you guys run into any issues, please let me know down in the comment section so that I can help you resolve that. I have a direct line to Eric and Becky to get anything resolved or any issues and things like that to help you guys along. Other than that, folks, let me know what you think. If any of you other folks have already gotten this, started this journey, or if you happen to get it and say, Grey, I wanted to take your advice and I wanted to try it, I want to know how you feel. And I'm going to do a follow-up video to this, and I'm going to show you my progress, how it worked out for me. I will start this specifically. All I'm going to do this is for the next 5 days. So today's Monday. I will start this tomorrow morning and run through next Tuesday. And I'll do a video on Tuesday, and maybe we'll do a live stream on Tuesday. I know I need to do a live. Everybody's been asking me for the lives, and I'm kind of rambling at this point. But anyways, just to kind of get focused in, to kind of give you guys an idea of what's going on. But I think if I do a video and then maybe follow up with something down the road, possibly, like I said, a live or something like that, I need to interact with my viewers, and we'll see how everybody's doing, because I really want to hear your feedback. If any of you folks out there take this challenge, I want to hear from you specifically. How do you feel? How does it make you feel? Did you feel a difference? Did you notice a difference? Did you lose weight? Did you sleep better? Did you get more energy? I would love to hear your experiences with this, because just because it works for me, I'm hoping it works for you, but I want to hear your feedback, because that'll let me know that it's just not me. It's actually something that's going to be beneficial to all of you folks out there watching me here on the tubes. Other than that, folks, that's all I can say about this. For now, I will catch you guys on the rebound. And as always, remember, you are not alone. This is GreyMan. I'm out. God bless.